Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Here we have question number 1 given in page number 90 of chapter 5, exploding mixtures and their separation. Here the question is, which of the following mixtures are correctly classified as homogeneous HM and heterogeneous HT? Choose the correct options that we need to answer. So here the first one which is given is air. Second one milk. Third one sugar solution. After sugar solution they have written smoke, then brass, fog, vinegar, muddy water, copper sulfate solution, salt solution, milk, bronze, muddy water, milk, blood and brass. So here let us classify these things into two categories. One will be homogeneous solutions and another one will be heterogeneous solution. The first one is air. Air is a heterogeneous mixture or solution. Second one, milk. Milk is considered to be heterogeneous. It appears to be homogeneous, but actually it is heterogeneous. Then we have sugar solution. Sugar solution is your a solution which is homogeneous in nature, because whenever sugar and water is dissolved with each other, it becomes a single phase. Uniform composition can be seen. So sugar solution is your homogeneous solution. After sugar solution we have smoke. Smoke is a mixture of dust particles and other particles present in the air. It is a mixture of different gases, so it is a heterogeneous mixture. After smoke we have brass. Brass is homogeneous in nature. It is an alloy, and definitely brass is made up of two components, copper and zinc, but these two components are mixed in together to form an alloy, and that alloy is homogeneous in nature. Then fog. Fog is somewhat heterogeneous in nature, and it is what the water vapor particles present in the air. Then we have vinegar. Vinegar is a homogeneous mixture. Vinegar is a homogeneous in nature. So I will write on here, vinegar is acetic acid in water. So it is homogeneous, it is transparent. Then we have muddy water. Muddy water is somewhat heterogeneous in nature. The mud particles does not get dissolved in water, and they can settle down at the bottom when left for some time. We have copper sulfate solution. A salt dissolved in water becomes a copper sulfate solution. This salt is having blue in color, and this particular solution of salt is homogeneous in nature, copper sulfate solution. Then we have salt solution, which is also a homogeneous solution. Milk, it appears to be homogeneous, but actually it is heterogeneous, that we have written. Bronze is an alloy as brass. Similarly, bronze is an alloy of copper and tin, and this alloy is also homogeneous in nature. Muddy water is heterogeneous in nature. Milk is heterogeneous in nature, and blood is also a mixture of two or three components. So blood is a heterogeneous mixture and brass is homogeneous in nature. So this way we have just classified the different samples into homogeneous and heterogeneous form. I hope that everyone is able to understand about it.